how do you decide which targeting strategy to use in Amazon PPC and which one actually works best for beginners? So this is a great question. And when it comes down to Amazon PPC strategy, what you need to know is strategy is how you plan ahead to achieve a goal. The goal has multiple subtasks, right? First one is going to be figuring out how much inventory do you have for one particular product. Even if we are talking about Amazon PPC, people are not even going to think about inventory, yet it is the crucial aspect of any PPC strategy. So one, check on the available products that you have, which one has most inventory, and then check if you have similar inventory for two products you want to prioritize strategizing for, which one is the most profitable for you. Because giving you an example, we're managing a brand that has multiple variations for the same product. It has 30, 90, 100 count items that they are selling them under separate listings. It's basically the same product. However, what we noticed is that the 30 count product and the 90 count product, because they have different price range, even if from the 30 count we're going to sell 1,000 units and from the 90 count we're going to sell 200 units or 300 units, the 90 count is still going to win just because it's priced differently. First step is to decide the product that you're going to advertise. When it comes down to strategy, especially PPC strategy, which type of campaigns are you going to run and what is the strategy behind them? Here at ScaleWave, what we're doing is we are categorizing these strategies both for us to understand what is the technique and the goal, and also for our clients to see and understand why are we running those strategies. We are doing the Evergreen framework, which basically are 5 strategies. So the first one is going to be protect. We're going to run ads towards our own products. The second strategy is conquer, which is basically you're going to target your competitor's product. Who else is advertising and how can I advertise either on or piggyback on their listings? That is going to be the second one. The third one is a ranking strategy, which means we are going to target an exact match, either keywords, either products that we are going to advertise on. One more strategy, it is dominate. For this strategy, we already have data that something works well. This is going to be a placement domination strategy, which basically if there's a specific placement where a keyword or a target it's working really well, those are going to be the placements that you want to ensure that you're going to dominate within the first results. And then the very last one is going to be the discover strategy. We are going to create auto, broad, phrase match category targeting campaigns that can be more targeted when it comes down to broad match or phrase match, where you already have the exact keyword but you are looking for relevant longer tail keywords, or it can be automatic campaigns where you're seeing, look, Amazon, this is my product, which are the keywords that you think would fit best for my product.